Greetings, math enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of mind-boggling math problems that have stumped even the brightest minds. Get ready for a journey into the realm of unsolvable equations and perplexing challenges. Scene 1. The Unsolved Enigma. Our first mystery takes us to a problem that has puzzled mathematicians for decades. Imagine an equation so elusive that, despite numerous attempts, no one has cracked its code. The quest to solve this enigma continues to baffle the mathematical community. Scene 2. The Collatz conjecture. Next up, we encounter the intriguing Collatz conjecture. A seemingly simple problem that involves following a set of rules, yet it remains an unsolved mystery. Mathematicians worldwide have grappled with its complexity, but the solution remains elusive. Scene 3. The Riemann hypothesis. Now, let's explore the infamous Riemann hypothesis. This problem, related to prime numbers, has taunted mathematicians since the 19th century. Its significance in number theory makes it one of the most sought-after solutions, yet it stands as an unsolved puzzle. Scene 4. The Millennium Prize problems. Our journey wouldn't be complete without mentioning the Millennium Prize problems. 7 mathematical conundrums, each with $1 million reward for a correct solution. From the Birch and Swinnerton-Dyer conjecture to the Navier-Stokes existence and smoothness. These problems continue to challenge the mathematical community. Scene 5. The P versus NP problem. Last but not least, we delve into the P versus NP problem. A question at the core of computer science and mathematics. Is every problem that can be checked quickly also solvable quickly? This puzzle remains open, sparking debates and exploration within the field. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of math problems that continue to defy resolution. Which of these challenges intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more journeys into the fascinating world of mathematics. Until next time, keep pondering those unsolved equations.